Be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe with you.
I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true, you know that all I want.
Morning guys, so it is, what is it today? Oh my gosh, right, it is December 2nd. Welcome to Vlogmas day 2. Currently it's like 25 to 7 and I actually get up 5:30. I finished edit Vlogmas day 1 and then I decided to come do some exercise in the park. This is such a lovely and amazing place. It's such a lovely view. Now I started to exercise and I didn't want to bring the camera because it literally doesn't have anybody else here and it's a little bit dangerous to leave the camera lying around. So I have me and my baby, you can see, a child. Yeah, he's exercising with me. That's what we're gonna do. The rest of the day, we shall see. Right vlog, so it's about a little bit to 7. We just finished exercising and then I'm going to bed and start my day and then we'll see what we have in some rest today. And right now they're trying to look at an iguana because they see an iguana in the bush. Yeah. So we're in the car. What's the time of it? Okay, yeah, it's 25 to 11 and we're actually going driving right now. Everybody say hi! Hi! Okay, yeah, so right, so we're going to do that and I might be vlogging while we're there. Maybe not, probably it's kind of like personal, so yeah, that's what we're doing so far. Good evening guys, so right now it's like 3 minutes past 4. Last time I would have vlogged was when we would have went driving. Honestly, it was just like it was a charity thing. Me and his family had a little charity thing and then we had to go drop off some stuff, so that was a drive. And I am having a little bit of a cheat today. This is my cheat. Not gonna lie, I probably shouldn't be cheating. I'm studying. Earlier I had to finish an online assignment, more work as usual, and then other than that the rest of the day is pretty much chill. Yeah, pretty much chill. So we have decided to come for a little walk and this is what we saw. Look at how gorgeous this lily is.
I didn't found that, I planned that, right?
Okay, I'm sorry, it was planted. Look at oh god. Look at how pretty those vlogs are. I mean,
you guys want to make
those lilies are.
You guys want to make a vlog with animals?
And look who we're with. Everybody say hi. This is Stafford. That is Akash. And we have found some lilies on our walk today. This is playtime with my baby. how gorgeous that tree is. Doesn't it look pretty? It's very, very pretty.
Good morning, guys. I'm sitting here right now. It's 6:30 in the morning. I actually got up 6 o'clock minutes to 6, and I realized I'm sitting here editing this vlog, and I realized from yesterday, and I realized that I did not end the vlog, which I'm sorry about. So I'm gonna end it now. I'm gonna end the vlog now, and bye.
Just give me the port, honey, honey.